guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going back to Horsham for the weekend. We're going to unpack all our stuff in our house there, and I'm also going to do a day in the salon in Stacey's salon where I will temporarily be working. Horsham is like a 3-hour drive from Melbourne, and we are an hour in and we just had to stop and get some coffee because I need some coffee. Can I just say, Macca's have really upped their game with coffee. Like, this is so yummy. I got an almond latte. Don't you hate it when you get a coffee that is like burnt and gross and you're just like, what a waste of like over $5. So good on you, Macca's, for upping your coffee game. The car is literally full to the brim, so it is like, yes, dress on. Oh, what'd you get?
Hash browns.
We have not seen our family for like 6 months, so this is really, really exciting. I'm so excited to be back in our Horsham house. I built this house before we moved to Melbourne and we rented it out when we moved to Melbourne, so it's really nice to be back and be in our home. This is our ensuite. So we have a double vanity, a big shower. Night in our house and it was so nice. I didn't really vlog much yesterday because I had mum and that over, so I just really wanted to be present and enjoy, but I will vlog a bit more today. I've got a little meeting with Brianna this morning just because I am away, so we'll just do like a little 15-minute catch up just to go over what's going on for the week. Then I have a massage and then I'm going into the salon that I'll be temporarily at to do 2 clients. So I've just had a little 15-minute meeting with Brianna just to go over everything, and we'll both be working today in different locations, so it's really exciting. Yay! So this is where I'll be working while my studio gets set up with Stacey. Look how cute this is. Aww. had an amazing time in Stacey's salon today, and I'm so looking forward to being in here for 2021 while my salon gets the fit out. And I just want to show you around a bit because it is so beautiful. Like, look out here. Look. She's got a big sign. And it's kind of hidden as well too, which is really cute. Little waterfall. All the Christmas packs. And 2 basins, so there will be another chair there. And then a colour table. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell as well so you get notifications every time I post a video. And I'll see you in the next one.